पहले फिल्में आई थी
जी।
तो क्या इस फिल्म में भी ऐसी कोई झलक देखने मिलेगी ऑडियंस को?
वेल सर, इस फिल्म में कोई डांस नहीं है, ना कोई फाइटिंग है, ना कोई ओवर द टॉप एक्शन है। दिस इज़ अ प्योर लव स्टोरी। आई थिंक जैसे एवलिन ने अभी कहा था, इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल लव स्टोरी। बहुत ही मॉडर्न लव स्टोरी है, बट विद द कन्वेंशनल फीलिंग्स ऑफ लव। तो आई थिंक इसमें आप सिर्फ कैरेक्टर्स को देखेंगे, उनके इमोशंस को देखेंगे एंड डेफिनेटली उनके साथ रिलेट कर पाएंगे।
When it comes to dancing, who do you admire the most in dancing?
Well, besides my father, I think Govinda, Shahid Kapoor and Hrithik Roshan.
And Evelyn, what about you?
I hope that he would say Evelyn Sharma.
Yeah, she is good. Trust me.
We have seen this dancing talents on every other platform which goes on with the reality shows हो गए या कुछ और भी. So
Yes.
according to you, what does it take to be a great dancer or to be in such reality shows? ये कितना अच्छा platform होता है?
I think for a great dancer, see, for example, there are so many big dancers who are now our idols, like Shah Rukh, like Salman, who in the beginning people would say like they don't know how to dance, they don't know how to, do the dance steps people tell them. But I think a good dancer knows his own style. So if you're even not able to learn what a choreographer is teaching you, because these guys are like amazing dancers, and not everyone can be a Varun Dhawan who learns every dance step so easily. But if you have your own style, that will make you a great dancer too.
अच्छा, यहाँ पर क्रिकेट की बात हो रही है तो आप दोनों क्रिकेट के कितने बड़े फैन हैं और कोई मेमोरी है बचपन की?
अरे!
एवलिन ने तो यहाँ पर छक्के चौके की बरसात कर दी थी।
अरे आपने देखा अभी फुल 3 सिक्सेस मारे उन्होंने, तो आई थिंक क्रिकेट इज इन अ ब्लड। बट
I'm a Sharma. All the Sharmas are good at cricket.
True that.
About you, मीमू तो काफी दिन से बॉलीवुड से कनेक्टेड हैं।
Yeah.
आप नहीं हैं, बॉलीवुड एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में बताइए, कितना सपोर्टिव है यहाँ का एनवायरनमेंट?
See, I have done now 8 movies. So I feel I have a lot of support from this industry, and I have worked with all the great production houses and amazing co-stars, amazing directors. So I feel very privileged, and I feel very, very blessed that all these people have asked me to work with them, which for an outside of Bollywood without any godfather or any of that sort, I feel very, very, very happy about this.
And what kind of acceptance this movie will get? It will be a turning point for your career. आप दोनों के लिए acceptance कितना होगा इस फिल्म के लिए?
मैं इतना कहना चाहूँगा कि जो लोग एवलिन को देखेंगे इस फिल्म में, they'll definitely be in awe, because उन्होंने ऑफकोर्स उनको एक ग्लैमरस लुक में देखा है, बट इस फिल्म में they will be looking at a डी-ग्लैम लुक, एंड इस डी-ग्लैम में उनकी जो परफॉर्मेंस बाहर आई है, आई थिंक यू ऑल विल कम्प्लीटली फॉल इन लव विद हर, एंड रिगार्डिंग मी आई थिंक एवलिन कहेगी।
So he's a really good performer, and it was very easy to work with him, I feel, because he's very dedicated. He gives his performance 100%. He's in character throughout the day, and I think for his character, which was almost like playing a double role in this film, it's one character throughout, but he's showing 2 different sides of himself. And I think that was a very big challenge for any actor, and I think he's mastered it really good. So.
चलिए, wish you all the best and thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Much and all the best.
First question to you is, for what specific purpose you have come for the event, to promote the film, to support the Mimo and Evelyn for the film as such? What is the
I'm
purpose?
here for the cricket event, which all you know, it's a T20 cricket which is happening. I want to wish all the best to all the players. Well, I myself am a very big sports enthusiast, and I'm a very big cricket lover. Sachin Tendulkar is my superhero when it comes to cricket. So yeah, I'm here to support all the players.
So are you following IPL this season as such?
Yeah, a little bit.
Any memories related to cricket?
World Cup memories, of course,
Any
like
match you would like to watch?
well, there are a lot of matches, but I don't watch it much right now. But I used to watch it a lot.
Any upcoming projects you are doing?
Yeah, I've signed a 3-movie deal with T-Series, so that is my film. I'm doing a first film with Divya Khosla Kumar, she's directing it, and one film with Tips. I'm also doing a South film opposite South superstar Darshini.
Yeah.
Urvashi, we have seen you in many films. You are dancing some kind of songs or something like that. But 29 Day is celebrated as World Dance Day. So any comments you want to give for the people?
29 World Dance Day. Okay. Well, we are here for the cricket, and you're asking about the dancing part.
But we have seen you as a dancer,
Yeah,
as an actor.
yeah, dance is my passion, you know. I'm married to dance. Yeah, well, you know, it's all about promoting dance. Well, you know, I don't celebrate it as much because I believe every dancer doesn't, because you know, you can enjoy it anytime. I don't believe in all these days which happens like a Valentine's Day or a World Dance Day. It is good, it is there, but I like to be happy and keep dancing. I just want to say everybody that keep dancing all the time.
Who do you admire the most when it comes to dancing?
Okay. Well, you're asking about the Indian celebrity?
Yeah, and
Madhuri Dixit the best.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Let's